here is a quick and easy introduction to wraps. So I've pre-drawn a cylinder and offset a plane. So plane 1 is offset and attached to the outer surface. On the plane I've drawn a sketch, and these are basically the beginnings of a turret. This dimension here is 50 times pi, so the circumference or the diameter of the cylinder is 50 mil, so d times pi equals circumference. So I know the 157.08 is basically the circumference. So here, just to show you, diameter 50. So this is really important because knowing the circumference is going to allow me to wrap around the entire object. So I select my wrap. I'm going to go 5 mil. Select the face, and I can have a look at how my wrap is going to look. Accept that, and I have a 5 mil deboss. You can see looking around, so I've got 3 equal sections. So I've drawn, as I've drawn my wrap, with 3 pieces of material to take out. So we change to emboss. Changing that changes the style of the wrap completely. So we now have an external feature. We can go back into the wrap again. There is a third option. So we've tried emboss, we've tried deboss, we can now try Scribe. So Scribe basically inscribes on the surface. So we have split the surface in a way. So we have our original surface, and we've wrapped the image and split the surfaces. So it's important to note that in the sketch that I've prepared, the only parts that have been traced have been actual physical lines, so any construction geometry is not included. So we could modify the shape. Let's say I'm going to offset another circle inside this shape. Reverse it. We know this is 5 mil, the emboss is 5 mil, so let's make this 5 mil. So depending on the shape we make, it affects our wrap. So the wrap came in 5 mil, it's taken out the material, and we now have a tube. So there's different ways you can interact with wraps. So I've pre-made another cylinder earlier, and let's say this was kind of like a clutch mechanism or some kind of gear tooth. So I'm going to sketch on this surface I've highlighted, and I'm going to convert entities. This is just showing you some kind of idea that you can partially use your wraps for. So that's extrude boss, not extrude cut, extrude boss. Up to surface, to the base, merge to selected entities, the upper cylinder. Okay. And here we have 2 linked bodies. So just to show you the upper body. And this is kind of derived from the original wrap feature. Let's turn the wrap on. Turn the yellow body off. So we have 2 bodies that interlink, all derived from the wrap. So that's it, a very quick and easy introduction to wraps.